Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, another recovery on the winter run. This time it's Dion, and he's out on the red trail. I don't know exactly what's wrong, but his friends are telling me that I should bounce him off every tree on the way back and give him a hard time because it's his first time that he's ever had to have this truck on the hook.
The truck we were going out after on this recovery was in almost the same spot as the buggy with the two broken axle shafts. So we were using the same tow truck shortcut to get there. Only this time we didn't have to break trail. Even though the trail had tracks on it, as you can see, the sun was out and it was warming up that snow, which made it very slippery. It was even tough to keep the wrecker steered in the right direction.
Good to come up.
Alright guys, when you're coming up, I'll clear it.
Hit that log again.
The truck we were after is actually this one over here. But first we gotta go talk to the guys and see what's going on.
So what did you break?
I have no idea.
No idea?
Not a clue.
Won't start. Okay.
Well, it's 6.0.
Yeah.
We replaced the crank sensor, and so we don't know if it's in his MSD box now or if it's because he's propane still, so it's carbureted.
Uh-huh.
We did an MSD conversion on
I see.
it. We don't. It wouldn't start at camp. They fucked around a little bit, started, drove out here. Wouldn't start again. Came back, got the crank sensor, swapped that. Wouldn't start. Then all of a sudden it started. Ran to here. Was idling while we were waiting for you to hook up to that buggy. And it died.
Alright, I'm gonna go forward. Let me get out of here.
Okay.
So.
All right. Well, I was told to give a real hard time because this truck has never been on the hook before. And then they said something about bouncing it off of trees. I don't know. Yeah. Put some bigger tires on it.
Yeah.
The reason we were laughing about bouncing the truck off of trees is, as you can see, it's got a pretty stout exoskeleton around the front of it. Even if we did deliberately bounce it off a tree, I don't think it would do anything but scratch the paint a little bit. As we were putting the truck on the hook, team member Blake was getting the drone out. Since there was virtually no wind out and there wasn't any leaves on the trees, we thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to see if we could follow the wrecker with the drone. Blake was thinking he could be in the passenger seat of Toby and have somebody else drive it following the wrecker, and he could fly the drone and stay on track watching the camera view through his phone.
All right, we got him on the hook. This one's pretty big and heavy. So we got a truck in front of us just in case we need a little help.
We soon found out that that was a little bit harder than Blake had anticipated. So we had to slow down our recovery quite a bit to give Blake a chance to fly the drone through the trees. But we did get some clips from the drone. I hope you like them.
The first time we're trying to get drone footage on a recovery. It might work, it might not.
Once we got back to camp, they said go ahead and put it right on the trailer. They were done messing around with trying to make it run. It was too nice a day to spend it in camp working on a truck, when they could just double up in a couple of other trucks and go have some fun. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. If you haven't already, click that red subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our recovery videos. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.